Hi, it's Jenny Dame. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. Today we're going to do a product review because Bésame Cosmetics so generously sent me some of their products to try, and I am so excited, and I wanted to do a video so I could share it with you and that you could see how incredible Bésame Cosmetics is. Gabriella and I are hopefully going to be in an article. If that comes into fruition, I'll definitely share it on here. But as a thank you, she sent me this. I am really excited to try it. If you don't know, Gabriela Hernandez started Besame Cosmetics. They are unique for creating vintage-inspired makeup with modern, clean formulas that are long-lasting, and they specialize in replicating real makeup and fragrances from the 1920s to the 1970s. I've actually been to their storefront years ago in Burbank. It's on Magnolia Street. I believe it's still there. But at the time it was there. And someone that loves vintage style, when you walk in, it feels like you stepped in time at a vintage makeup counter, and because everything is so beautifully displayed and off years into what was popular at the time. Like they'll have the same shade of red from the 1930s, or they'll have the pinkish tone for the 1970s, or they'll have the same year dedication to fragrances, and it feels more accessible to using vintage products because vintage ones, I mean, they're great. Can't use it to really put your makeup on. You're just gonna have to use it as like a prop. Like I have a vintage compact and I love it. It's beautiful, but the mirror is, you know, falling apart. Thank God it's intact, but I just hold it up when I use it, and it's not the easiest thing to have. And of course I could fix it and put glue on, I guess. That's what you get with vintage products. There's always going to be some fixer-upper that you're going to have to do, and that's what I love about Besame. Is you have that vintage feel and look, and it's ready to use and beautifully crafted. So let's see what we have. I have you a little more closer so you can see the products better. Okay, so let's see. Well, first of all, I love the wrapping. Okay, first we have Besame Streamline Refillable Powder Compact. Oh, that's so cool. Okay, let's see. Ooh, I love this. It's like a really nice felt. You could make sure you could put the compact in here. It is stunning. My goodness. I love gold compacts. This is beautiful. It's like some weight to it too, so that is really beautifully made. Oh, and there's a mirror. Do you guys see yourself? There's a mirror, and this is where the refillable compact is. Perfect too, just to like check your makeup and put it back in your purse. Love it. Okay, let's see what the refillable compact is. It says 1940s Peggy powder. So cute. Wow. Oh. Okay, so it's like a invisible translucent powder, and it has a little powder puff, and it's gold too. Oh, the attention to detail really gets me. Okay, let's put it in our compact. It's magnetized, so it's not going to be falling over. So let's try it. A bit of shininess. It just makes everything blend in, especially for the days you're out and about and you just need to powder your nose really quickly, and then boom, your makeup looks perfect again. This is gorgeous. I am so happy with this compact, and I'm just going to keep refilling it once it's done. So pretty. Okay, now that we have our compact done, let's try. I have two lipsticks here. My lips look too naked. I've been wearing red lipstick for so long that when I don't wear it, I don't feel ready. Like I feel like the outfit isn't complete. Like if I have my hair and makeup done and I have like a outfit that I'm excited about, I have to put on red lipstick. Okay, we're going to try Classic Color Lipstick Red Velvet 1946. I told her that this one was my favorite that I've tried before. It's more of a vampy red, so I'm really excited to try it. It is gorgeous. See the Besame logo there. And I love that you can have the same red tone that's in the shade because you can know what, oh, and it's also in the cap. I love that there's 2 points to the lipstick. Okay, let's give her a try. Let's use our new compact. I always start with the bottom. I love it. See, I love that you can use the point to shape the lip. Without having to use like a pencil. That is a beautiful shade. More of like a brick red. It's really pretty. See how it just completes the look? Dude, okay, let's try this new one. And it's Rhythm in Red 1934. So this was popular in 1934. Has like the same tone. You can see it'll be a brighter shade than this one. And oh shoot, let me go get a makeup wipe. 1 second. I'm gonna kiss my hand so we can compare the swatches. So you can see like the change of tone. There it is. Okay, now I'm gonna wipe it off. Slight intermission. I'm gonna do it from the camera. It feels so nourishing on your lips too. It's like the perfect red. It's not super bright. Ice cream truck going by. Can you guys hear it? I feel like this would look good on a lot of different skin tones too. And I'm so happy with these. I'm so grateful that Gabriella sent me these products to try because I am so happy with them. And let's give like a lipstick swatch. Mwah. It's a slight difference. It's really cool to wear something that is true to the time. Thank you so much to Bésame Cosmetics for sending me these lovely products, and I'll link down their website in the description. I'll be back with more vintage style and sewing projects soon, and I'll see you guys the next time. Bye bye.